Are you still taking screenshots of your Copilot chats to show your team? You are losing the context and wasting time. Today, I'll show you how to share your AI thinking directly with your colleagues. I'm Paul Keijzers, Microsoft MVP. The Microsoft MVP best practice here is to share the chat link itself. This allows your team to continue the conversation where you left off. We use the checklist: logic, data, action, and speed. Sharing directly is the ultimate action. Move the speed up team decisions. For this, I will create a demo and show you how it works. So here we are in my Copilot space. What I do is I will ask how to share my prompts with my colleague and work on them. Let's see what Copilot comes up with. Of course, it's possible, we all know that, but still, let's see what it prompts. And once it's finished, we can add some, I'm mainly using Teams. That's something, I'm just going to prompt 2 or 3 prompts, and then I'm going to show you. Because if you have been looking to the screen, you may have seen that something has changed. So what happened? There's a new button here. And if I click on this button, I can say, okay, how many messages do I want to share? And who do I want to share it with? So in this case, I want to share it with Debbie, Copilot, and I want to share all my messages. So I click on create, and it generates a group chat in Teams. So I can now click on open in Microsoft Teams. I will do this in the web. I actually already have Teams open, so it's a bit of a thing. But here you see that there's a new chat that came by, and it's called Debbie. Of course, you can rename this group chat. But basically, you see the prompts that we have been doing. And in this case, we can work on the prompts together. We can also copy it directly into notes. So here we have our notes section in this group chat, and we can use the notes together. We can also say, okay, open in Copilot. Basically, we can work in Copilot and continue on this discussion. Now, I tried this, but this doesn't work. It's just a normal chat. It only outputs the data of the Copilot. So basically, this is how you can bridge the gap between AI and human collaboration. This should be rolling out in June, according to Microsoft, for even broader organizational sharing settings. But you can start sharing with individuals today to boost your team's ROI. When you start with Copilot, it's very important to have your security settings, etc., up to date. So that's why I created this Copilot rollout checklist, which you can use to check if you have done everything. If you have things you didn't do, you can check it in the list or contact me eventually. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and start sharing. Stop copy and pasting and reclaim your Friday afternoon. Subscribe for more. I'm Paul Keijzers.